Welcome to our channel. Today, we bring you 9 inexpensive modern prefab modular homes. Before we continue, please press the subscribe button and the bell notification icon to receive regular updates whenever we upload a video. Number 9. Bert and May Spaces. Big Box, $175,000. Bert's 2-bedroom big box includes a large master suite and a stunning ensuite bathroom with a fully movable wall that allows open-air showering. In addition, a large living space with a fully equipped B&M kitchen leads onto your terrace, creating a lovely area for outdoor dining and entertaining. Each box has a large master bathroom and an undermount sink with a sliding wall that allows for open-air showering. A large living area extends around on a patio, which is fitted with a fully equipped marble-top kitchen. Select your box size, materials, cladding, tiles, flooring, kitchen, and Bert and May's gorgeous assortment of paints, and wait for delivery. If you wish to take one on for size, the charming Pig Hotel in the New Forest has a snug one with a wood-burning stove and rustic chic decor. Number 8. Koda Sema. Koda Loft. The new version of the Koda concrete dwellings was built to match the distinctive and stylish original Koda, a hardwood Koda loft. Its concept was to adjust with materials, pushing flexibility to a new level while maintaining the award-winning design and mezzanine. The greatest design and a Nordic vibe are based on a steel-reinforced timber structure. Because the home is light, it weighs less than half as much as a concrete house. It may be built in more remote regions outside of major cities and in far-flung global destinations. The insulation and strength of the 258 square meter Koda loft have been preserved for year-round living in heat and cold while allowing 2 units of the same type to be stacked on the roof. Exterior finishes and colors and interior features may be tailored to best suit the intended functionality and atmosphere. With your morning coffee, you may enjoy the scenery and a breath of fresh air from the window on the rear wall. The rear wall's outside ladder serves as a rainfall drain and a shelf for your herbs and flowers. The Koda loft requires a level foundation, appropriate weight-bearing capabilities, and water, power, and sewage connections. Number 7. Haus.me. M1, $199,000. Haus.me was launched in 2019, but CEO Max Gerbit claims it has been in the works since 2016. What is Haus.me exactly? It is a small prefabricated house built of a 3D composite polymer that provides super insulation, solar panels, and a big battery for off-grid functionality. It's completely self-sufficient and self-sustainable, as well as stylish, beautiful, practical, easy to maintain, and movable. According to the business, it is the future and the first autonomous luxury residence in the United States. It's great as a permanent base, despite being billed as the holiday house for perfectionists, which makes you assume its use is akin to other tinies. However, the builder claims that you may use it as a holiday house in your favorite place, whether it's in the mountains or on the beach. Because of its superior insulation and tiny size, it is 20 times more energy efficient than any other American house, any Haus. My unit can function entirely on solar power, eliminating the need for an electric grid and the need for gas, fire, or any other fuel. Installing gray water filtering, an air-to-water generator, a shower recirculation system, air filtration, and anything else you'd need to be entirely off-grid, whenever, wherever, and for as long as you'd like, can be made self-sufficient if the future owner's budget permits. Number 6. Blu Homes. Cabana 600. $195,000. The Cabana 600 is a modern, adaptable, and attractive additional living unit or extra room for an existing home. The Cabana 600 is the ideal in-law unit or extended stay rental with a full-sized kitchen. The Cabana 600 was created with additional unit size limitations in mind, so it's the ideal choice if you need more space. In addition, the Cabana 600 is a versatile accessory unit with an attractive design. It may be used as a guest home, a full-time in-law resident, a yoga studio, an office, or a pool house, among other things. The Cabana 600 was created with additional unit size limitations in mind, so it's the ideal choice if you need more space. Number 5. Phoenix House. H09. $315,000 to $405,000. A main floor living area may be used for various functions, such as an office or a second bedroom, and fits the space criteria for a private suite. The huge flex area may be used to modify the space's functionality, and it can include an additional bed/bathroom and inventive storage possibilities. This practical lower-level ADU provides additional living space below the main floor plan by storing automobiles inside. Perfect for alpine locations with a lot of snow. Number 4. Honomobo Ritchie HO2, $195,000 plus. The HO2 model is available in one of two layouts, one with one bedroom and one with two bedrooms. The 640 square foot property has a full bathroom, in-suite laundry, and a large kitchen/living space with a wood or gas fireplace as an option. The HO2 is ideal for a guest home, cabin, ADU, or short-term rental property. Number 3. GoLogic 600 model, $180,000. We'll need to compile a comprehensive set of construction documents before GoLogic can start building your Go home. A site plan, all drawings of the home, blueprints, and other needed information will be included in these documents. The site plan will be customized to your land, including boundary lines, setbacks, the driveway, utilities, and the exact position of the house. All of your finish and fixture selections, as well as any adjustments you make throughout the design process, will be included in the drawings. The cost of the design process varies depending on the project, but it is usually around 5% to 8% of the total construction expenses, including engineering fees. A design charge of $25,000 to $35,000 is normal for a typical project, or exceptionally difficult locations will increase the design charge. While GoLogic makes every effort to incorporate all probable expenditures in an initial estimate, your ultimate cost may differ owing to events beyond our control. Number 2. Alchemy Arch, Marfa Warehouse, $155,000. The home is a simple structure nestled in the Texas high deserts. One room functions as a bedroom, kitchen, dining area, and living room all in one. A magnificent bathroom is located next door, with views of the mountains to the north and south. The outdoor kitchen and laundry are housed in a prefabricated utility shed, leaving the rest of the basics in the main module. We fans love the Marfa House. Perhaps it's the setting or the cool, soothing interior that blends in with the arid surroundings. It was created as a 440 square foot retreat place for a secluded location outside of a small art colony. It was one of the first warehouses to come finished on the inside and out, with just utility hookups, deck, and sun-shedding canopies built on site. A tiered foundation provides a proud platform for broad views of a spectacular landscape. Number 1. Connect Homes, Connect One. The era of micro-living is here. With the installation of a contemporary accessory dwelling unit, you can increase usable square footage to your home in the easiest and most cost-effective method possible, ADU. The Connect One is a stylish one-bedroom, one-bathroom apartment with a beautiful open-concept living area. Use the area as a future home for your aging parents, a private guest house for your guests and family, or a rental property to supplement your income. In addition, this modest structure feels considerably larger because of floor-to-ceiling glass windows that maximize your connection to the outdoors. The Connect One is a beautiful one-bedroom, one-bathroom house that can be quickly deployed as permanent housing. Many green elements are included in the steel-framed house, including a house-wide ERV, energy recovery ventilator, that minimizes the demand for a high-efficiency heat pump. The home has also been pre-approved as a typical ADU option in various California towns. In addition, it arrives fully assembled, having been built on the Connect Home production line. The Connect Homes housing system results from a decade of research on making the high-modern, environmentally friendly building more accessible to the general public. Every 6 working days, a 2,000 square foot house comes off their industry-leading manufacturing line, bringing the total number of finished homes in California to 80. Connect Homes makes magnificent glass and steel homes more accessible to the general public. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below which part you liked most, or click the thumbs up button if you like the video.